Hello everyone, this is Shweta Patil from Department of ENTC, AISSMS, Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Our today's topic is cryptography. Now let us see the definition of cryptography. Cryptography is a word with Greek origin which means secret writing. We use the term to refer to the science and art of transforming message to make them secure and immune to attack. We can also define cryptography as it is associated with the process of converting the ordinary plain text into unintelligible text and vice versa. The figure here shows the components which are involved in cryptography. Here there is a sender which sends the message and there is the plain text. The original message before being transformed is called the plain text, and after the message is transformed it is called ciphertext. An encryption algorithm transforms the plain text into ciphertext, and decryption algorithm transforms the ciphertext back to the plain text. The sender uses an encryption algorithm, and at the receiver side the receiver uses the decryption algorithm. Here the term cipher is referred to encryption and decryption algorithm. This term cipher is also used to refer to different categories of algorithms in cryptography. We also used a key for encryption. Here the key is a number or a set of numbers that the ciphertext as an algorithm operates on. To encrypt a message, we need an encryption algorithm, and encryption key and the plain text. These creates the ciphertext, and for decryption of the message, we need a decryption algorithm, a decryption key and the ciphertext. This reveals the original plain text. We can divide the cryptography algorithms or the ciphers into two groups. First is the symmetric key and another is the asymmetric key. Symmetric key is also called as the secret key, and asymmetric key is also called as the public key. Now let us have a deep look into symmetric key cryptography. As we can see here, in symmetric key cryptography, the same key is used by both the parties. The sender uses the key and an encryption algorithm to encrypt the data, and the receiver uses the same key and the corresponding decryption algorithm to decrypt the data. So that we can say that in symmetric key cryptography, the same key is used by the sender and the receiver. The key is shared here. The second type is the asymmetric key cryptography. In asymmetric, or it is also called as the public key cryptography, there are two keys which are used. One is the private key and another is the public key. The private key is kept by the receiver and the public key is used to the public. There is an example which is given here. The sender is the Alice who wants to send the message to Bob, and Alice uses the public key to encrypt the message. When this message is received by Bob, the private key is used to decrypt the message. In public key encryption decryption, the public key that is used for encryption is different from that of the private key that is used for the decryption. The public key is available to the public and the private key is available only to an individual. So that altogether we have seen three types of keys. The first one is the secret key, second is the public key, and the third is the private key. The secret key is shared. It is a shared key which is used in symmetric key cryptography. The second and the third are the public and the private keys which are used in asymmetric key cryptography. Then here we will do the comparison between two categories of cryptography. The encryption can be thought of an electronic locking here, and the decryption can be thought as an electronic unlocking. The sender is going to put the message in the box and lock the box by using a key. The receiver is going to unlock the box with the key and take out the message. The difference here is going to lie in the mechanism of locking and unlocking and the type of the key which is used here. In symmetric key cryptography, the same key is used for lock and unlock the box, wherein in asymmetric key cryptography, one key locks the box and another key is used to unlock it. In asymmetric key cryptography, we can see that at encryption side there is a pink color key which is shown, and at the decryption side there is a black key, which shows that both the keys are different from each other. This was just a small introduction about cryptography. Thank you.